Hello, welcome to the GitLab 13.6 Team Retrospective Summary. My name is Darva Satcher. I am the Senior Manager for Create, and I will be your host. Today, we will discuss what praise do you have for the team, what went well, what went wrong, and what can we improve. What praise do you have for the team? So under the praise for this retrospective, Craig Gomez from the Memory Group said the Memory Group spent a very focused week exploring ways to drastically reduce the memory footprint for running GitLab in a memory-constrained environment. We had daily recaps to facilitate a quick feedback loop and to determine next steps. For more information, refer to this slide. Roman Cuba said we did an excellent job around helping to get rid of the ACE editor in all of GitLab. It took months of hard work, and I really want to praise them for that. There were additional praise given, and congratulations to all. What went well? Under collaboration, CZ from the Global Search team said that the team produced a kickoff video collaboratively, thanks to John, who organized the effort. John from Plan said participating in the Product Shadow program, where an engineer shadows a PM for 48 hours, was a great experience and highly recommended for the different perspectives it gives. Note, this is the second successful run through the program, which was initiated by Charlie Ablett. This MR will make it available to other teams. Sounds like a really good MR. Thank you so much. And thank you for everyone who collaborated well. Results, CZ from Global Search again. We were able to ship a few features successfully. We can now constrain tests to run in a specified pipeline. For example, this Elasticsearch test only runs in the nightly pipeline. The sidebar on the search results page has been completed. For more information, refer to the slide. John Hope from Plan said the team took pride in shipping multiple long-running features to customers in 13.6, including blocking issue counts, test cases, and swim lanes on issue boards. And Nicole Williams from Release said, we had a realignment mid-milestone, but we're still able to get 80% of our deliverables into the 13.6 release. Thanks everyone for the great results. Next, efficiency. David O'Regan said a P1 regression was handled with a fantastic turnaround in this milestone. And Mario from Plan said fortnightly iteration planning issues are helping team members to better organize work. Thank you all. What went well with iteration? CZ from Global Search said, we were seeing faster code review and reduced review to merge time. Nick from Geo said, Akriti and Douglas collaborated with SRE counterparts to complete a first iteration of a failover test to the Geo node on staging. This was the first goal of the Disaster Recovery Working Group. Congratulations. What went well with transparency? Nick from Geo, RPM Fabian Z, refined our disaster recovery complete maturity epic, which has given the team a much clearer view of upcoming priorities. Thank you. What went wrong? In the area of collaboration, Craig from the memory team said we learned a lot during the 2GB focus week, from how GitLab worked, to different tools, to different ways stakeholders view the memory constraints of GitLab, and how we can provide meaningful impacts to memory usage. Under results, Heinrich from Plan said, ongoing refactors are creating confusion and extra work. For example, having to support REST and GraphQL while issue boards are being refactored. Cheryl from Verify said a QA test broke on master, but it was not flagged ahead of time that a set review was required on the MR prior to merging. The tests are manually run, so we'll look at ways to improve failure detection of QA tests affected by merged feature MRs. Under efficiency, Heinrich from Plan mentioned, the feature flag rollout issues are adding additional overhead that feels unnecessary for small features when we just want to limit risk. Nicole Williams from Release said that the team realignment occurring midway through the milestone was taxing on the team in terms of transitioning remaining work while picking up new responsibilities. That being said, they all did a great job supporting each other and seeing the work through to completion as much as possible. How can we improve? All right. Collaboration. John from Plan said collaboration was both praised as a highlight and noted as a lowlight of this milestone. We can improve generally by ensuring that opportunities to collaborate are equally distributed and some team members aren't disadvantaged by any process. Craig from Memory said, the memory group is discussing how we can introduce show and tells to our weekly cadence. And Lindsay from Threat Management said, there is a lot of interest in creating more opportunities for pair programming, both within the team and with community contributors. We plan to create a spreadsheet where engineers can schedule sessions focused on individual issues. A link to the spreadsheet will be shared in Slack, applicable handbook pages, and on our threat management wiki pages. Information about individual pairing sessions should also be communicated directly in the issue. Results. Craig from the memory team said, memory profiling is difficult. To quote Matthias, a lot of this is because the tooling for Ruby is very immature compared to other language stacks. We've created an issue to start brainstorming how to solve this problem. Please refer to that slide for the issue. How can we improve? From David on efficiency from the monitor team. As we now have a large amount of maintainers on our team, we are looking into a better method for handling time management when balancing reviews with feature development. And under transparency, Nick said, we have not done any acceptance demos for a while and plan to start doing them on a more regular basis. Our in-progress work on patroning, support, and maintenance mode are two examples where the increased visibility of a team demo would be very helpful. Thanks for your time. Please join us for the retrospective discussion. For the retrospective discussion, we will be hosting that, or I will be hosting that on Monday, December 7th. And this time around, I used Polypoll to gather feedback on our discussion questions. I decided, well, you all decided on choice 3 and 4. So we will be discussing sharing your best practices for creating issues that appeal to community contributors, as well as sharing ideas for how to provide ideas for strengthening div values on your team. Please refer to the slide for additional links. Thank you all for listening to this video, and I will see you on Monday.